There are multiple advantages of this bomb checking system instead of using a traditional counter. For kitting process, generally people use a counter to know how many number of items is placed and what items has been placed. There are a lot of opportunities for manual errors because when you do multiple kits, when so many number of kits per day, people may miss out to add items in a sequence, or may add less number of items. All these things will cause error in the kitting process, so that when the item is sent to the customers, you may have a problem of quality. So this particular process will ensure that the items, individual items, images, its item weight, its part number, everything is displayed in the bomb checker, so that they can't skip any of the item. Once that particular item with a particular quantity has been added, then only it moves on to the next screen. So, and also the sequencing is been automated, so that people cannot miss out any of the items here. It also has an option to add up to 50 different kits. Each and every kit can have at least any number of items. For example, kit 1 can have 10 items, kit 2 can have 5 items, kit 3 can have 4 items, and like that it can be configurable. Each and every item, individual details also is configurable. It also has an option for editing, adding a new kit, deleting the existing kit, or modifying the existing kit. It also had an option to add, delete, and as well as edit the individual items and then its details. Okay, this software also comes with the login credentials, where the only admin can modify the configurations, and then user can do the kitting process. So this one, the advantage of it is it also has a sequencing things, where the sequencing also can be changed via the configuration. Once the sequencing is set, the user cannot change the sequence. That will ensure that he ensures all the parts are packed. So other advantage of the system is that it also generate reports. You can get it date wise as well as month wise. It also has a barcode label reprinting option. That means the labels can be reprinted using the barcode option there. This another main advantage of the system is that apart from it can configure 50 kits, it can also configure different weighing scales. So for example, single kit can itself have multiple weighing machines. For example, if you take one kit where I use this existing weighing machine for 4 items, and then out of 5 items I will use for 4 items, whereas one item I want to use a different weighing machine. So I can configure like that for 5 different weighing machines. I can configure and get it inside this one. Okay, the reports also comes with the date, time, as well as which user has done and what item weight and what is the total weight and all the other information. So these are the advantages of this system, and it ensures that the kitting process is done with good quality, and there is no rework or missing parts in the kitting process. Thank you.